Behind you, big man. Behind you.
Rooster.
Oh, there you go. I don't think Fifi will be able to get that one in her mouth, Ez.
Fifi's eating paper.
Yeah.
She's trying to get a sticker.
She's trying to get the sticker, Brew.
Rooster.
Here, let me
Hi, Roo.
break it up for her. She gets spastic for cookies. Rooster. Here, Fifi.
Oh, good sit, Rooster.
Rooster, wait your turn. There you go.
It's like I am.
That's nice.
The little one takes all my stuff.
I know. Can you get it, Fifi?
Fifi. I don't want to see your butt.
Fifi.
Fifi.
Little mommy.
Oh.
Rooster's not have anything else, Fifi.
Hey, Josh, how's it going?
Hi.
Good.
Did that one. All of them. Did we just trim them? Or did we do something?
You